Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. And in today's video, I've seen a website that I want to share with you. So guys, kindly stay with me in this video and watch this video to the end. So without wasting much time, I will show you the website that I'm talking about. And guys, please don't watch this video without pressing on the like button and turn on the notification bell. So the website that I want to talk about is 77.in, and this is a betting website. So guys, this site is paying right now, and I will recommend you to invest and start earning from this site. The minimum amount to start earning from this site is 3 USDT. So guys, with a little you have, you can start investing in this platform. And the reason why I'm recommending this site to you is that this site has been existed for a long this site has been existed since 2005, and they have updated their website expiration date to 2026. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So when you go to the whois.com and you search about the domain of this website, you can see from here that they registered their website domain on 16th of February 2005, and it will expire on 16 February 2026. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. This site has been existed for a long time and it is still paying, guys. So I will show you how you can earn from this website. You can start making money from this website. So first, let me show you how you can create an account on this website. So when you click on the link in the description down below, and you land on the registration page of the website. So guys, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like this video, and also share to your friends who are interested in making money online. So I'll be showing you how you can create an account on this platform. Sorry, I have slow internet connection, that's why it's delaying. So let me off my data and on it again. And this site is really paying, guys. So you have to start investing with any amount that you have. The minimum amount to start is 3 USDT, and you can start making money from this website. I have slow internet connection. Let me refresh it again. So guys, as we are waiting, you have to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel if you are new and you haven't subscribed. Don't watch this video without subscribing to my channel. I upload videos about making money platform. So guys, this is the registration page of the website. So you have to register using your email account, not the phone number. You have to register using name. So you enter your email account here, then you enter your password. So and you enter your password that you use for making withdrawals from this platform. Then you enter your WhatsApp phone number, then you enter my invitation code. So I'll leave my invitation code in the link video description, or you have to click on the link in the video description. So after you have created your account, you have to log in into your account. So I'll log in into my account and I'll show you how everything is done. So they give you predictions on how you bet on this platform and make money without losing any money on this platform. So you make money on this platform without using even without losing money on this platform. So this is how this platform works, and this is my account dashboard. I have 300 this 300 doesn't mean 300 dollars. This means 3 USDT. 1 USDT is same as 100 coin on this platform. So this means that I have 3 USDT in my account. So guys, I'll be showing you how you can start betting on this platform and you start making money on this platform. So after you have created an account on this platform, you have to click on the Telegram link in the description and join the Telegram group. So this is their Telegram signal group where they post the signals for the signals every day. So the trading hours for Ghanaian for the Ghana time is 9 o'clock a.m. and 12 o'clock p.m. and 3 o'clock p.m. So this was today's trade. This was today's afternoon, the last trade for today. So the first prediction was color green. So when you open the website, you click on this ring down here. You click on this ring down here and you select this one called Sapri. So when you select that, then you get back to the Telegram channel and you have to follow the prediction that they have given to you. So the first prediction was green. So the first prediction was green. So you click on the green, then you choose the amount that you want to bet with, then you click on the confirm. So when you click on the confirm, it will bet for you. Then you have to wait for this time to count down. So after the time has counted down, the bet result will be will pop out. So the prediction was green and the result was failed. Yeah, we failed this bet, and this doesn't mean we are going to lose our money. They will bring another predictions, and when you win, you are going to recover the money that you lost in the first prediction. So they brought another prediction and they chose the color green. So you have to click on the color green again, then you have to multiply the amount you betted for the first time by 3. So let's say the first one you bet with 10 coin, so and you fail. So the second one you have to multiply by 3. So you are going to you will be betting with 30 coin. Yeah, you have to bet with 30 coins. So when you win, you are going to recover your lose. You'll be recovering your losses on the first trade. So this is my bet record. So our first one we lost. I bet with 10. Then the second one that's today's trade. The second one too was win, and the last one was win. So I lose this and I lose this, but when I win the third predictions, I recovered all my losses from this trade. So by following the predictions that they post in the group every day, you are not going to lose any money in this website. So guys, that's why I'm recommending this site to you. So you have to invest in this site and start making money. So this is how the trade is done on this platform, and it's very simple. So if you don't understand anything, you can ask in their group and you'll be answered. So guys, the other method that you can use to make money on this platform is referring. So when you click on the mine under here, then you click on the promotion. So I have 3 referrals over here, but none of them has made a deposit. So you copy your referral link, then you start referring, and you get 1.3 USDT per referral. So when you refer someone to this website and the person deposit 3 USDT into this website, you are going to earn 1.38 USDT on this platform. So this is how this platform works, and this site is paying right now, guys. So you have to start. Click on the link in the video description to register for your account. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.